Hikvision or Brickvision. Looks like you're going to need one of these. So it arrives CP2102, looks like this. Comes with some plugs like this. Well, should I say breadboard cables. You pop them onto the programmer like this, and you're left with this side, and you think, how is that going to fit in there?
That's what she said!
I'll show you. Zip. Sorry. You're going to need one of these. 1.5mm 3-pin JST lead. Looks like this. Strip the ends off. Already done that. Forgot to press record. I know. Great YouTuber. Sorry about that. We're going to get this side, and we're going to connect them onto the breadboard cables. So let's get the old Stanley out.
Back off, monkey boy!
Carefully pop it in here and lift up the little tab like this and slide out the cable. There we go. Then we're going to pop on a heat shrink for later. Get our cable, slide her in there, a little bit fiddly, but with the power of editing, you know, watch this. Bosh! Now what we're going to do is pop a little bit of flux on, come in with a solder and the old soldering iron, tin her up, slide on the heat shrink, come in with the old windy stick, hot air station, 340 Celsius. Damn, that's hot. Now the same with the red, flux her up, come in with the iron, shrink her again. This one was too big, I know, cocky bastard. Couldn't find a small one. Save the black till last.
Once you go black, you're gonna need a wheelchair.
Slide on the old heat shrink. This one actually fits, ironically. Give it the old shrinkeroo, and we're ding dang done. Come in with your multimeter, continuity. Let's find the ground pin, the pin that beeps. Cables are on the programmer. Red is on ground, so we know red needs to go to where it beeps, because ground is the only pin that matters. RX and TX, they can be mixed up, and your tab, when you open it, your command center, that will tell you because it won't respond if they're the wrong way around. And if they are, you just unplug them like that, give them the switcheroo, run the tab again in no putty or whatever you're using, and Bob's your auntie. Slip her in here, program away. Don't forget to subscribe, it would be very helpful. Give us a thumbs up. We're trying to overtake Hikvision. Here's the cable in 4K. It's not, it's probably like 1080p. But yeah, if you want it longer, just get some of these, like your mum. Sorry. Yeah, just get some of these. I got them from Temu, or Temu, whatever you want to call it. That's how much they were? £3. That's what was that? $5 give or take. And if you can't be arsed doing all that, then you know, you can always fuck off. No, I'm just kidding. You can buy one of these. I don't know where you get them, but you can get them somewhere. But that's what they're called. You just plug your programmer straight onto the other side, and you don't have to do any soldering. Bob your auntie. Turn on the bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Sarah.